Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on this platform on 26th of October. So today is also special in this video because we are going to announce the name of the top performer of this month weekly quiz. So the one who is having the highest mark in all the quizzes for this month will be getting the top performer certificate along with the cash prize. So those who don't know the rule for this quiz contest, you can go through this by pausing the video. So let's first discuss the questions which came in the quiz contest. The first question was, who was the woman activist who initiated the Chipko Movement in Reni village of Chamoli district in 1973? So here the correct option will be option number C, Gaura Devi. Let's move to the second question. The second question was, which zone in a longitudinal profile of a river is autochthonous in nature? So here you should know that the correct option will be option number A, lacustrine zone is autochthonous in nature, and the riverine zone is allochthonous in nature. So you should know there are three zones in the river longitudinal profile. They are lacustrine zone, transitional zone and riverine zone. Let's move to the third question. The third question was, identify the correct sequence for the global warming potential of the different greenhouse gases given in the option. So here the correct option will be option number D. Yes, both option number B and C are showing the perfect sequence. That's the correct one, because the global warming potential for carbon dioxide is 1, which is the standard, and the global warming potential of methane is taken as 25, whereas the nitrous oxide, that is N2O, is having the global warming potential of 298 to 310, and the SF6, that is sulfur hexafluoride, is having the highest global warming potential among the four, which is 22 to 23,000. The fourth question was, what is the acceptable Bureau of Indian Standard limit for the sulphate content in the drinking water in milligram per liter? So here the correct option will be option number A, 200. Yes, you should know that the permissible limit is 400 mg per liter and the acceptable limit for the sulphate is 200 mg per liter. Similarly, you should know all the important BIS limit which is important for the exam. The next question was, there must be a balance between the total development and the absolute reservation. So this justifies which of the following ethic? So here the correct option will be option number C. This statement justifies the conservation ethic because the preservation ethic says nature is special and should be preserved at the social and economic cost, whereas the development ethic states the human race, that is the humans, are the master of the nature and all the resources are for the pleasure and for their benefits. The sixth question was, the lake which has layers of water that never intermix are known as what kind of lake? So here the correct option will be option number C. Meromictic lake are called the lakes which are having the water that never intermix, whereas monomictic lakes are also known as holomictic lakes that mix from top to bottom during one mixing period every year, whereas the dimictic lakes mix from the surface to the bottom twice every year. Let's move on to the seventh question. The seventh question was, the latitudes which are categorized by calm winds and little precipitation are specifically known as what? And here the correct option will be, they are called as horse latitudes. So you should note it down. For many students this will be the newly term. Let's move on to the eighth question. The eighth question was, a tool which is used by the meteorologist to give a succinct view of how wind speed and the direction are distributed at a particular location is called as what? So here that tool, that methodology will be called as windrows, which is option number C, the correct option. The ninth question was very simple. The aesthetic benefits comes under which of the following categories of the ecosystem services? So here the correct option will be option number C. It comes under cultural services of the ecosystem. The final question was, the NBA, that is National Biodiversity Authority, which is a statutory autonomous body under the MOEFCC, was established in which of the following years? So here the correct option will be 2003. So option number B will be the correct option. So now it's time to reveal the results for the quiz contest. So here also unfortunately nobody was able to secure 10 out of 10, but FALGUNI Mohanty, SANJIT Kumar, Khadija Samreen, Akshay Bharadwaj and Nisar Ahmed have done well by securing 9 out of 10, and other participants have also done well. They are Pragati Singh, Diksha Pandey, Biswa, Aishwarya Buyakar, Priyanka Soren, Anwar Bande, Rajappan Suganti, Bharti Gaur and Mati. So congratulations to all, and now it's time to reveal the name of the top performer of this month, and the top performer is Khadija Samreen. So congratulations to Khadija Samreen for being the first top performer of the month of the JACLET Learn for the Environment quiz contest, and many congratulations for your consistent performance, because you did well in all the 3 quizzes which were conducted in this month of October. So keep up the good work, and along with Khadija, one more contestant, that is Nisar Ahmed, have also secured the same mark, so he is also the top performer of the month. Congratulations to Nisar. Keep up the good work and motivate others for doing this kind of work. So I hope you like this video. If you want to become the top performer and be the participant of this quiz, you can subscribe to the channel to get the notification as soon as I upload any video.